Apple launched iOS 15.4 RC update, which is release candidate update. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what is new in this update. And you should be updating to this update or no, or how you can update to this new version. I'm going to talk about all those things. So iOS 15.4 RC update is here. It is kind of 4.42 GB update, which is huge. And it is not going to take extra place on your iPhone storage. It is going to overwrite your system. So no worries about that. But let's talk about what is new in this update. Okay, so here is Face ID while wearing a mask option is available, but on the iPhone 12 and the newer iPhone, which means iPhone 12 series and iPhone 13 series. Now finally, face mask is wearing a mask option is available for the Face ID user, and also people can use Apple Pay and password autofill using wearing mask even with the Face ID, but again on the iPhone 12 and the newer. There are new emojis including face, hand gestures, and household objects are now available in the emoji keyboard. There are almost around 37 new emojis, which are really cool. Handshake emojis allow you to choose separate skin tones for each hand. Very nice. Then FaceTime. Share play sessions can be initiated directly from the supported apps, which is also very nice. Siri can provide time and date information while offline on iPhone XS, iPhone XR, iPhone 11 or newer. So it is not coming to the iPhone 10 or iPhone 8 or iPhone 6s. Even those phones are also supported by the iOS 15.4, but it is only for the newer iPhone, almost kind of newer iPhone. Siri now includes an additional voice, which is nice. That is available on every iPhone supporting iOS 15.4, expanding the diversity of options. Very cool. Vaccines card are finally they're there. EU digital COVID certificate support in health enables you to download and store a verifiable version of COVID-19 and with the second results and recovery records. So you can save COVID-19 related certificate records in your health app. COVID-19 vaccination cards in Apple Wallet now support the EU digital COVID certificate card format. Finally, much awaited. This release also includes the following enhancement for your iPhone. Okay, beside these, there are new few features, like there is an option for custom email domain, which is really cool option. Okay, so Apple mentioned these things over here too. Okay, let's talk about this. Safari Web translation adds support for Italian and Chinese. Cool. Podcast app adds episode filter for seasons played, unplayed, saved, or download, which is very useful. I am a big fan of Apple Podcasts. iCloud custom email domains can be managed from settings. News offers enhanced discovery of audio content in Today feed and audio tab. Camera and keyboard can be used to add text to notes and reminders, which is cool. Shortcuts now supports adding, removing, or querying tags with reminders. Emergency SOS settings have changed to use call with hold for all users. Call with the 5 presses is still available as the option. Really sorry for this. Zooming it again. Close up in magnifier uses the ultra wide camera, and magnifier app is like there are little UI changes in the magnifier app. Save passwords can now include your own notes in setting, which is really cool. So you can write more about what actually your password is related to, so you can add more information to that. This release also includes bug fixes for your iPhone. Keyboard may insert a period between type number. It is fixed. If you're facing this problem, it is now fixed. New widgets in Today view may not open articles when tabbed. No, that is also fixed. Photos and videos may not sync to iCloud photo library. I was facing this issue and now it is fixed. Great. Speak screen accessibility feature may quit unexpectedly. Vision Books app is also fixed. Live listen may not turn off when switched off in control center is also fixed. Talking about the storage bug, I will talk about the storage. Apple didn't mention storage bug anywhere, but I think for the most of the user, storage bug is also fixed, which is really great. So this is the everything new in the iOS 15.4 RC update. Now let's talk about how you can get this update. You need to install beta profile. How you are going to install beta profiles? You're going to go to betaprofiles.com and install beta profile. I have done a separate video on that. Video is given in the description. Link of the video is given in the description. Learn how you can upgrade to the beta version, because this is the final beta before the public update. So maybe we are going to say public update next Tuesday. For us to get the updates about that, make sure to subscribe the channel. So this was all from the iOS 15.4 RC update. I will be coming up with more videos like performance, Geekbench score, battery life. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.